Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have some product empties that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. These are products that I've used up over the last 6 to 8 months. Beauty products, skincare, makeup, and some hair products. I also have a really fun giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned for the entire video and be sure to be subscribed to my channel. So I have this pretty big box filled up of lots of different products, and I really enjoy filming these videos from time to time. I think it's fun to see what other people have used up and what products are really worth your time and money and what products really aren't. So first, I have used up another one of these First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. I have literally used up every ounce of this cream. I pretty much only use it on my hands. My hands get really dry and red in the winter, especially with so much hand washing and hand sanitizing that, we've all been doing because of COVID. This is really great for sensitive skin. I know some people use this as a moisturizer on the face and body, but I just pretty much keep this on my hands because my face is pretty sensitive, but I know a lot of people really love this product, and I definitely do as well. I typically find mine at Marshall's and they're about $20, which I think is about half price than what it is at Ulta or Sephora, but this product is amazing and I already started another bottle of this. I decided to try out the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tangle Body Wash. It's made with peppermint, tea tree, and eucalyptus, and this is really nice and refreshing. It's kind of different than Bath & Body Works. It's a lot more subtle, but I will say that this product kind of stings your body, and if you use too much of it, you will definitely feel it. And it's also not a product that I really enjoyed using every day. I did like the scent, and it's very affordable. I forget how much this is, but it was like super cheap for this pretty big bottle, and it lasted me like a month. So I like this product. I just wish it wasn't so strong. Like maybe if I could find it in different scents. I don't know if it has, any other scents, but this product was just okay in my opinion. This is one of my favorite shampoos, the It's a 10 Miracle Shampoo Plus Keratin. No added sulfates. My hair gets very oily easily. As you can see, it's kind of oily today, and it's because I went one day without washing my hair. This product does not weigh my hair down. It does not give me extra grease. It's so hydrating. It looks perfect. If you guys have any of those like volumizing brushes, like from Dyson or Revlon, or I have one from Hot Tools, it literally is the only shampoo that I can use with that product, and I don't have to straighten my hair. My hair will just be like a very nice straight blowout. So I love this. It really locks away all frizz, and it doesn't smell like fantastic, but it still smells nice, and my hair feels really clean when I use it despite it being very hydrating. I used up the Sweater Weather shower gel from Bath & Body Works. I love this smell. It's kind of like an Abercrombie Guys cologne mixed with some like a little bit of I would say maybe a touch of vanilla or something. And the keynotes are Suncrisp Apple, Autumn Leaves, and Orchard Woods. So I love this scent, and I really enjoyed using it in the fall. I also used up a Rusk Purify Deep Cleansing Shampoo. This is a go-to shampoo for me. It really helps cleanse my hair from any product buildup, and I really like this product. I picked mine up at TJ Maxx and Marshall's. They have this smaller one as well as a big one. And I think the big one is like $9.99. The tag is like cut off of this one, so I'm not sure how much it was. So I used up a few different products from The Ordinary. I love The Ordinary. I liked them before they were cool. I've been using their products for like 2 or 3 years now. And this is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. This is really great for acne scarring, just kind of helps exfoliate your skin. And I really like this product. I use it on my face and my back, and it definitely helps my acne. I also used up the Matrixyl 10% plus HA. So HA, I believe, stands for hyaluronic acid, and I have to say that I like this mixture better than the plain hyaluronic acid mixture from The Ordinary. This Matrixyl is a special ingredient that The Ordinary formulated themselves, and it helps the hyaluronic acid to sink in and absorb better into your skin. And I really like this product because it's less sticky than the hyaluronic acid. And I noticed the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary kind of breaks me out, but this product does not. It's very light and it gives you some nice moisture. So if you have oily skin like me and you want to wear a moisturizer during the day underneath your foundation, but you don't want to be oily and sticky, I would totally recommend using this product. I think it's really, really great, and I definitely need to order another one of those. Another skincare holy grail for me is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. This product is pricey. I get mine at Sephora, but this just clears up my acne like no other product. It clears up your skin very quickly. Like they say, it's a resurfacing formula. So if I could, I would use this product every night, but I don't think you're supposed to. So I just use it a couple of times a week, primarily on my chin and jawline where I get really bad hormonal breakouts. I also used up the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte Shower Gel from Bath & Body Works. Love this scent. It's definitely a sweeter one. The fragrance notes are pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallow, creamy sandalwood, and praline musk. I used up an Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I wear the shade 1 and 2 ECRU. Just really my go-to everyday foundation. I like really full coverage look. This is not too matte. I don't think it looks cakey, so I love this stuff. Pro tip, if you go to the Tanger outlets, they usually have a makeup store called The Cosmetics Company, and you can usually find this 40% off. I used up Ouai shampoo for fine hair. I love the scent of this shampoo. It's the only shampoo that actually makes my hair smell good. Like I said, my hair gets kind of oily and sweaty quick, which is really gross. But this shampoo actually makes my hair smell like something other than nothing or sweat. So that's really why I buy it. And it's also a really nice, like, lightweight shampoo. I like how they split it up into fine, medium, or thick hair. I do have fine hair despite having a lot of it, so this definitely doesn't weigh my hair down. It doesn't really make my hair frizzy. I will say in the summer you might have to use a hair oil with this shampoo because it's not as nourishing as the It's a 10, but like in the winter time I'm fine without using any other hair products. So this is designed by Jen Atkin, and she is one of the Kardashians' hairstylists. I used up a pore refining exfoliating cleanser from Neutrogena. This is great if you have big pores, acne prone skin. I love to use this after I work out when I really, really need a deep cleanse. I'm not using this product as much now that it's winter and my skin is a little bit drier, but definitely in the warmer months, this is my go-to. So I used up 2 of these Laneige lip masks. I pretty much use this product like every single day and multiple times a day. The vanilla one and the green apple. I definitely like the green apple better. The vanilla is just kind of like eh, but I really like the green apple. This is pretty moisturizing. I will say it's not as moisturizing as some people make it out online. I feel like some people made this product out like it was the most ultimate holy grail best lip product ever. I think Carmex, which you can find at the drugstore, is more moisturizing than this product. However, I like how much of the product that you get, and this really lasts me a long time, so I think it's worth it because I felt like every single time I went to Target I would have to pick up Carmex because I would just keep running through the product. But I like having a lot more of this since, you know, a lip product is something that you use every day and multiple times a day. I think this product is actually worth it for the money and the value of how much you get in it, and it is pretty moisturizing. It's a pretty good lip product, don't get me wrong, but it's not like this amazing product like some people make it out to be, if that makes sense. Another shower gel I used up was the Sparkling Peach Sangria. I didn't love this scent, so I probably wouldn't repurchase it. The keynotes were sliced peach, white wine, and orange peel. It wasn't terrible, just not one of my ultimate favorites. I used up this Origins pressed powder. As you can see, I hit pan. I really did use this up. I really liked this powder. It's called the Silk Screen, and it definitely keeps you matte. It is silky and it keeps you matte. I don't know how they pulled this off, but it's a really, really nice finishing powder. I have transitioned more recently into using the loose finishing powders and not really the pressed powders, but I've had this for a long time and I finally used it up, and I definitely would repurchase it if I was still using pressed powders as much as I used to. Finally, I used up another one of my favorite cleansers, the Hydra Boost Hydrating Gel Cleansing Gel from Neutrogena. It's made with hyaluronic acid, doesn't irritate my skin, it's nice, it keeps your skin super hydrated, and I definitely will continue to use this product in the future. Now for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away this Hot and Straight brush. So I've never used it. I think it's just something like you plug it in, it heats up, and you comb it through your hair. I just have too many other hair products, so I have never gotten around to using this. I've had this product for a while, so I wanted to give it away to one of you guys. So the giveaway rules will be all in the description box below, but I will state them right here. You must be a US resident, just because it gets really expensive to ship things abroad, and because this is a bigger product. You must be subscribed to my channel right here and have your subscription notifications turned on so I can check that you're subscribed to my channel. If you have entered a giveaway in the past and unsubscribed, you will not be eligible to win. You also must follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My links will be below. A bonus entry is follow my account on Goodreads. Again, everything is linked in the description box. And please leave your Twitter or Instagram handle in the comments and tell me one product that you've been using recently and that you've been loving. I will respond to all of your comments and keep this giveaway open for 2 weeks from the date that this video goes live. Best of luck. If you have any questions, just please ask me down below. And you guys so much for watching and making it to the very end. I will see you in my next one. Bye.